Welcome back to Product Critique, your guide to the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the Motorola MG8725 Ethernet Wi-Fi 6 router plus multi-gig cable modem, a powerhouse in home networking solutions. This device isn't just another router, it's the best 600 megabits per second router on the market right now. Let's break down why. First off, it's powered by DOCSIS 3.1 technology, making it lightning fast with speeds up to 6,000 megabits per second. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or video conferencing, this router ensures smooth performance even with multiple devices connected. Connectivity-wise, it's equipped with one 2.5 gig Ethernet port and three 1 gig Ethernet ports, perfect for wired connections to your devices. And with beamforming technology and range boost, you get extensive coverage throughout your home, eliminating dead zones. Setting up and managing this router is a breeze thanks to the MotoSync app. From speed tests to guest network management, you have complete control at your fingertips. It even offers robust security features like malware blocking and parental controls, ensuring a safe online experience for your family. Now, let's talk performance. The MG8725 is not just about speed, it's about low latency too. With its low latency DOCSIS certification, you can say goodbye to lag during intense gaming sessions or high-definition streaming. And here's the kicker: it pays for itself over time by saving you up to $168 annually on modem rental fees. That's a smart investment in your home network setup. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best-in-class router that combines speed, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, the Motorola MG8725 is the clear winner. It's designed to meet the demands of modern connectivity without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, stay connected.